The IRS recently changed yet again the requirements and regulations surrounding 1099-K forms for third-party settlement organizations. If you are someone that uses a service such as PayPal, Venmo, or any other credit card or payment processor to receive payments for your business's goods and services, then you need to know this information. Let me help you understand. The IRS has gone back and forth numerous times and has, quite frankly, been incredibly confusing with the laws surrounding taxes and payments using third-party settlement organizations such as PayPal and Venmo. Just a few weeks ago, the IRS issued another change for tax year 2023. The IRS has now stated that they will not be implementing the new 1099-K tax rule in tax year 2023. The IRS states that they have delayed the new $600 Form 1099-K reporting threshold requirement for third-party payment organizations for tax year 2023, and that they are planning a threshold of $5,000 for 2024 in order to phase in the new law instead. This means that the old law is still in effect. Payment applications and online marketplaces for tax year 2023 are only required to send out Form 1099-K to taxpayers who receive over $20,000 in total in their transactions and have over 200 transactions. For next year, in 2024, there will be a threshold of $5,000 in transactions in order to receive a 1099-K. Now, it is really important to note that while you may not be receiving a 1099-K tax form showing those transactions, the IRS still requires you to claim your self-employed income on your tax return with or without that tax form if you earn $400 or more in net self-employment income.